for the magic slide, I've got a lot of requests, and first of all, I want to consider what you already need to know before trying the magic slide. It's very important that you already know how to go forward very well and pretty fast. It's very advisable that you already know how to soul slide, this one, and also the power slide. The two first slides in the family of the inside edges. The magic slide is also very useful in case you need to reduce the speed when you're going very fast. And it's also sometimes easier than the soul slide because it does not require the same amount of flexibility. This position is the correct position for a magic slide. It's very important as you start the magic slide to start with a soul slide, and subsequently you need to turn the support leg on the inside edge, doing a pivot from the heel and moving all your weight on the back. At the beginning it's going to be very difficult to do so because most people start the magic and they bring the body forward, as this is what the inertia does to your body. So most of your effort will be in starting and turning the body, all the while your weight, your body goes back. If your body looks like it's on top of your back leg, that means that the weight is in the correct position. Also, it's very important to make sure that the knees don't separate too much, especially for those that start with a soul slide first. It's very common that people do a soul slide quite far away with the body in the center, which is wrong, and this will allow the magic to be too far away and probably result in splitting the legs. So what's very important is to start with a small sole, learn to have it close, with the knee close and controlled, so then you can start your magic slide and bring your body back immediately. What's very important at the beginning is to secure a correct stop. It's not important at the beginning to go very, very fast and to have a long slide. It's more important to be able to lock the position and have your body face the direction. Because a very common mistake is to go very fast and then with inertia overspin until your back is showing to the direction. So very important that you follow, and it's always going to be the front of your chest looking ahead, and hopefully the arms, either open like this or like this, are facing the direction. So very much into the beginning of the slide, it's very important to just do a mini slide and be sure to lock it right here. Okay? If you can lock it successfully, then it's time to add more speed and try something slightly longer. Prepare the hands. Okay. And now, as you can imagine, you can keep training and make it longer and longer. I really advise people to film themselves because there are some common mistakes that are done during the slide. As I mentioned before, having the knee looking like this and having the body right in the middle of the leg means that the slide is not going to be sustainable for a long speed because you need to be on the back and with the knees connected, communicating almost, because those are the center of your movement. And in case you're going very fast, having the knee closed also allows you to stop and keep going forward. Sometimes I would say that to learn the slide faster, if you're a total beginner with it, is useful to do it on wet ground because it really helps you to give the feeling of the slide without you having to go too fast, because this is a slide that requires some speed. And the last tip that I would give is to avoid rotation with the body. So it's very common to rotate at the beginning of the slide and not finish it. So the things you want to consider the most is avoiding the arm to rotate. It's very easy. You need to put an effort to have the whole of your upper body contracted, strong, like it's the heaviest part of your body. So the arms won't succumb to the inertia and keep rotating, because this is what you do for a spin, and this is what's going to happen. So you make a half turn or less than a half turn because you're going to have extra inertia to bring you forward. So don't put too much effort into a 90 degrees rotation, but being shy of that, just a little bit, the rest will come. And another thing that makes people rotate a lot is communicating heels, because when this happens, a lot of people finish with an eagle. They will look like this. This is very common, or finishing with a power slide instead of a magic. This means that the legs are not parallel, but it means that somehow one leg is following the other. Okay? If this happens, make sure to move the legs and not move too much or start rotating. And this is all I can say today. So if you have any question, any suggestion, if you want me to cover something else next time, please put it in the comments. And please help our channel, help us out by subscribing, hit the notification bell, and sharing the video so more people can learn the magic. And thank you very much, and hopefully I can be back next month and get you back in line.